shit. Oh my god. These 400 or 500 A's?
500 A's.
Listen. Oh, dude, these are cool. Look, the buttons they're these like Adams buttons.
There's a thermostat up there.
Huh.
I don't think it is.
Do another ride on this one and then switch. Listen to the chime. Love that chime. Yeah, these are like really rare Adams buttons. 5353 Horton Street Garage. Let's see how the other one is.
Actually, you know what? Let me get a tap of these.
They're Adams.
They feel kind of like the Cromwell garages.
Looks like they were gonna have 3 cars. Yeah, look, there's a whole hoistway for a 3rd car. Man, that chime is just going crazy. Oh, this one doesn't have a floor passing chime. This one doesn't work.
I'm curious. That one works properly.
Yeah, but the cool chime doesn't work.
Yeah.
I like the purple hoistway.
Building 12 elevator? Interesting.
These are really cool.